In this video, I will show you how to fix Windows 11 desktop icons showing large. So to resolve this problem, you can use shortcut and also you can use basic method. So basic method is right click any empty area, view and select medium or small, like medium or small icons. And also guys, you can use shortcut Control plus Shift plus 4 to make small icons and Control plus Shift plus 3 to make medium icons and Control Shift plus 2 for large icons like this. Control Shift 2, 3 and 4 to make more smaller like this. So thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not.